Hi guys, so I'm so excited because I finally got my Boxycharm like a few weeks ago. I already did open it and I already did use some of the products inside, which I do love. I love these products because I feel like I haven't really purchased any of these products at all, and I like all of them, especially the brushes. Like these brush that I got in my Boxycharm. I got 3 of these Luxie brushes, which I did use today, and I like them a lot. For this, I used my Stila blush. I used a creamy blush, and this is one of my favorite blushes right here. So I'm using this blush right here. Oops, let me focus this. Okay, so I used this blush with this brush, and I feel like it really does apply nicely on my skin. And this also came in, and this is called the Precision Foundation, and you can use like powder, and you can just put it like underneath just to set your powder in. And then I also got the Luxie tapered highlight. I love this highlighter brush, sorry, because it really does apply my highlight really nicely. And to be honest, I think I like it better than this fan highlighter, this fan brush. And I thought this does apply nicely too, but like this really does apply. It makes my highlighter really stand out, and it makes it look smoother on my face, which I really do like. So I'm really excited about these 3 products. I really like this one. So I'm glad this came in. I was hoping to get this one, even though like most people did get it. And I also got the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. And I'm using it right now, and it's in the shade Verona. So I think it's really pretty as well. It's really matte, and it really looks nice on my tan skin, which I like. So I think this is really pretty. I like nude colors, but like some nude lipsticks make me look like washed out or like pale. But since I'm a little tan right now, I think it really looks nicely on my lips. So it's a really pretty color. I've been wearing this a lot, so I think it's nice. I'm gonna purchase more of this. I think it's so nice, and I bet they have really nice other colors as well. I also got the lash. I'm wearing the lashes right now, and it's called Battington Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. It's like this, and it comes in this little box, and I already took it out. And with this lash, I'm wearing the Kiss glue. And this is how I'm still learning how to apply them, but I think I did like an okay job, but I really like it. It really makes my eyes stand out as well, as you can see. And I want to show you the highlighter I'm using, because I really like this highlighter. It's right here. So I'm using Molten Gold Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and I did use the new brush, the Luxie brush, with it, and I think this is really pretty. I think it's one of my favorite highlights, and I do want to get more because look how nicely it applies. And it's just so smooth too on the skin, and like it's so pretty. Let's see. And I also got this. It's called Genera Soul. It's a Brazilian body cream. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. And oh my god, it smells so good. It's like a body mist, and it stays on me like all day too. And it smells like vanilla with chocolate. I know it's a weird description, but it's how it smells like. And it smells like really delicious. I'm like, so I also want to show you another product. that I really like a lot. Like, it's so pretty. It's called Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. Inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes, which I really like. So I'm using this, and these are so like pigmented, especially the metallic-y ones. Like, this is so pretty. Like whoa, I never saw anything like that in any palette so far. It's so pigmented. And then you can also like put like on your brush, on the flat brush, you can do like the mist. I always put this kind of, I use my pixie mist and I just spray some on my flat brush, and then and then I like dip it in here and then I just put it on my eyes. And that's what it's for. Like they say, these metallics, it's like a description, you can do that. It's like Stila almost. Oh, and I love this color. I think this is like more of a shimmer though. It's so pretty. So the colors that I'm using is, in my outer corners, I am using this as a transition color. It's called Cocoa Taxi. I'm using this color. And I'm also using in my inner corner, like in my outer inner corner right here, I'm using Tropico. It's called Tropico. My Spanish coming out, this color. And then I'm also using, what else? In my inner corner, I'm using El Malecon. I don't know if I'm saying it right. It's like this green olive metallic color, which I really like. And then on my bottom lash, my bottom area, I'm using Cafecito. And then I'm also using Guanatanamera and Cafecito. So I'm using that on the bottom eyelid, and then my inner corners I'm using La Costa, this one, which I really like a lot too. So that's my look, and I really like this look. I like my makeup that I did. This is my makeup, and this is my highlighter. I like how the brushes apply my highlighter. It's really nice, I think. So I really like my eye makeup. That's how it looks. And my liquid lipstick that it came with. So I'm like super happy because it gives you 6 products all together. It came with an eyeliner, but I don't know where I put it. But I really like all of them a lot. And I think 6 is a lot of products. $21 a month. I don't think it's bad at all. And they give you like full, not samples, like full size products and brushes, which I really like. So this is my final look that I used. And I did use I feel like adding more of my transition color though. So I'm going to use more of Tropico. Just here. And I did use my Revlon Brow Fantasy, which I really like. So yeah, I'll do swatches, even though you probably saw like a lot of swatches. But I want to use, let me see. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna apply the Pixie. Oh, that's so pretty. See how pretty it looks? Sorry, I'm like ruining my So see, it looks like this. I like the blue a lot. And I also like I only have to do it one time and it applies so nicely. Oh, I barely put my finger in this one. So these are all the colors, which I really like. And yeah, I definitely am gonna keep on subscribing to this, because I'm excited for July. Like, this is my June one, and it came pretty quickly too. So I'm gonna do more videos of these, but I'm actually gonna show you by applying them on my face, but I really didn't have any time to show you because I had to do other things. But yeah, this is my final look. And for my bronzer, I did use the Milani bronzer, and I also used the 8 Days of Bronzing as well. I used this, which I really like. And I did use this shade to contour Bahama and also Mocha. I used a little bit of this on my face. And then I used the baked Milani to, I don't know if it's in here somewhere. I think it's in, I used the baked Milani just to contour, in the NYX Wonder Stick to contour. And I also love this product right here. I use this all over my face. It like gives me such a nice glow, but I use this with my fluffy brush, Laura Mercier. It's in Candlelight, and I just put that all over my face. It's illuminator. And then I did highlight it with this on top of Molten Gold for the top part, like right here. And yeah, I'll be doing more of these videos and more makeup looks. So, and this is what I'm wearing too. I like what I'm wearing because it's a romper, and I think it's, oh, I got a wedgie. I think it's really cute. I'm wearing it with these shoes. I'm just gonna push this more back. I really like this outfit. I think it's cute. So I am gonna go out. That's why I'm like so dressed up. Yeah. I really like this romper. As you can see, I got a bit tan. I'm still trying to get a little darker though. So I hope you guys have a nice weekend and enjoy your day and be safe. So I'll be doing more like these videos. I can't wait for my July Boxycharm. It's really exciting. And have a beautiful day and take care of yourselves. God bless.